Hey guys, so I've been a little curious lately and I thought, I wonder how long it would take a computer, how many frames it would take to generate randomly a 1% chance of something. So let's find out in this video. So basically guys, if my math is correct, it should take about 100 frames to generate a 1% chance, 1,000 frames for a 0.1% chance, and 10,000 frames, missing a zero, let's write that in, to get a 0.01% chance to get 10,000 frames. And for each zero, after the decimal, before the 1, you could add another 0 to the side of whatever it is. So you could go on forever just adding zeros in both. So let's write a program to do that. Okay, so I made this quick project, and basically, if the computer chooses the 1 out of 100 chance, the 1% chance, it will print winner, but until then, it will constantly print loser. It will tell you the amount of frames, that's X, and it will display your FPS. Here's how it looks right now. Okay, so after 66 tries, we got one winner on the first try. Let's do it again. So the second time we did it, we got winner after only 17 tries. Let's go again. So this one seems to be going way longer than the other ones. Okay, so after 400 tries, we got one winner. After 34 tries, one winner. After 34 tries again, one winner. After 156 tries, one winner again. Well, it's always going to be one winner. I don't know why I'm saying one winner every time. They won after 156 tries. Let's go with that. Okay, so the math I showed you guys earlier in the video was pretty much correct. It takes like about 100 tries to guess the 1%. Now, let's see how it does with thousands, with a 0.1% chance. Add the 0, and now let's see. So after 1,900 tries, one winner. That's about 2 times the amount of tries we first thought it would be. Let's see how it runs again. So only after the 25th try, we got one winner. Now after the 400th try, we got one winner. This one is taking a long time. For this one, it was a long one. 3,587 tries before they won. Let's go one more time, and then we are going to go to the 0.001% chance. Okay, so this one was the closest to our original estimate for what it would be. About 1,964 frames for that 0.1% chance win. Now let's do 0.001% chance. So like I said earlier, this should be around 10,000 frames. So this was 2,734. That wasn't that close to 10,000, but it was still a lot longer than the last times. I'm going to do it one more time, but probably not any after that if it's not a quick one, because we already know this one could take a long time. So this one is the longest one yet. Okay, so 500 frames, it got one winner. Let's go again. It reached the 6,000 frames mark. So after 7,907 frames, we won. Okay, so while the other me is working on the design better, I'm going to be explaining to you some of this math. So try to wrap your head around this. Every frame, it's like being at an arcade when you have one of those spinny wheels. So there's the really, really small thing, the little spot that you need to get by spinning the wheel, while there's so many other chances. And it's almost impossible to get the place that is the 1% chance. So every time it's like spinning the wheel, and the chance doesn't go up anytime, it's always the same. It's always spinning the wheel. So it's almost impossible to get it the first time, but it takes a long, long time.
What we do here is go back.
Try to wrap your head around that. So guys, after some time of designing, here's the final product. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. So when you're in, it shows the FPS like it did before, and it tells you your frames and if you have won yet. So you could select what you want. Let's do 1%, and then it will start going, and then once you get it, the background starts changing. So we could do the 0.1%. And yeah, so this is what it is. I would never really recommend doing this one until, I don't know, unless you want to be like up all night watching it, because this one, I've honestly like never really tried it. I don't know what it would be like, and I don't really want to wait to find out. But if this video gets over 20 likes, I will make a video finding out how long a computer generating 0.0001% of a chance, how long that will take. So, thanks for watching, guys. And as always, leave a like and subscribe. Dislike it if you want to see other videos. Comment what you want to see. But thank you for watching. Bye.